Hi, I'm Landria Mariti, and I'm your instructor for MA 111 for this semester. And I just realized I forgot to post this video for your class about the overview of the course and how Blackboard is set up. So here I am recording it now on the morning before our first class so that you'll have a chance to view it sometime in the next week or so. As you can see here, I'm on our Blackboard page for our class, and I know you've been here already, but I hope that you've looked at the Start Here button. And underneath the Start Here button are a couple of things, tabs that you should look at that give you some information about the class. And of course, there's an orientation quiz that's due by Tuesday, I think, next Tuesday, January 17th. You need to complete this so you won't get dropped from the class. But the other thing that I really want you to see is how each week will be organized in Blackboard. So our first our first learning unit is voting theory. And you see this tab is here. There'll be other tabs here later in the semester as we go into other units. But to open up this tab, you click the arrow on the right-hand side. And what you'll notice is there's all the things that are going to happen in each week labeled by the week. So week one, week one, week one, week one. These are all of our week one things, that first week of class that we'll do. The very first thing is class. And usually in the Monday class folder, you'll see some information about what's going to happen in the Monday class. Then there'll be bridge activities that'll be due every week by Wednesday before our next class. And these bridge activities, if you want to see them, let me see. All right, I haven't opened them up yet, but I will open them up after class. But there are 8 activities that you need to complete. Might take about 75 minutes to do so. But if you do not complete these before the due date on Wednesday, you will not get credit for them. These are the things that help you understand what I'm going to teach during the Wednesday class. So in the Wednesday class folder, you'll find information about the Wednesday class. You just click on the arrow to open it up. Maybe it'll tell you what handout you should bring or some other things that you need for Wednesday. Then due every Friday are these check understanding activities. And then what's due every Sunday is MLN homework. So every week is organized like this. As you see, there's week 2, Monday, week 2, bridge, week 2, class meeting. Week 2, check understanding, week 2, MLN homework. So I wanted to give you this little overview about how Blackboard is set up. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in class later today, and we'll talk some more about all of these things. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.